Hello, first grade scientists, and welcome back to another science job. Our target skill for today is I can observe how the objects in the sky appear to change. Let's investigate. So here you will see images of the sun in the morning, midday, like lunchtime, and at night. What do you notice about the sun? I can see that the sun in the morning is just coming up over the hill. Midday, it's right above my head. And at night, the sun goes back down over the hill on the other side. The sun appears to move through the sky throughout the day. The reason that the sun appears to move is because the earth is rotating and revolving around the sun. So, does the sun actually move? But it appears to move because the earth goes around the sun. What happens as the sun appears to move through the sky? Well, boys and girls, we can see shadows. A shadow is a dark place where an object blocks the light. Have you ever seen your shadow? In this picture, these 4 men have shadows. Where would the sun be? The sun would be in front of the men because they are blocking the light, and so we can see their shadows. What about in this picture? Where is the sun in this picture? I can see that the shadows are over here, so the sun must be up here behind the objects. We can see shadows on the moon. These are called phases. Phases are the changing shapes you see as the moon moves. So, boys and girls, we know that the moon does not give off its own light. It has to use the light from the sun. So when you cannot see the whole moon, it is in a shadow. So we know that the earth moves around the sun. And now we've learned that the moon moves around the earth. And that is why the moon has phases or appears to change. So in this picture, you can see that the earth is going around the sun and the moon is going around the earth. Do you see the part of the moon that is in a shadow? Do you see the part of the moon that is reflecting the sun's light? So on Earth, we would only be able to see half of the moon because it is only reflecting half of the sun's light. It takes about 1 month for the moon to travel all the way around the earth. 1 whole month. So we will have each phase of the moon once every month. Now it's your turn to read and answer questions about the changing sky. Have fun, first graders.